Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making a pineapple guava cream cheese pound cake. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. All right, so as you guys already know, today's cake will be a pineapple guava cream cheese pound cake. Here I have some fresh guava, and we're going to start by peeling and slicing them in half. So with the fresh guava, I will be making a guava sauce, much like the strawberry sauce that I make in a lot of my videos. So once I have them peeled and sliced in half, I will be adding them to the Ninja, and I will be blending them with some other ingredients. So you'll see that coming up shortly. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be down below in the description box of this video, but I'm starting by adding the guava to the Ninja cup, and to this I'm gonna add some granulated sugar, some water, and cornstarch. Now that I have everything in the cup, I'm going to blend it together. So this is what our mixture looks like after it's been blended. I am going to strain it to remove the seeds, and then I'm going to add it to a pot. So I'll be back to show you guys that shortly. Here you can see I've strained the mixture, and these are the seeds that I have collected. Here I have the strained mixture in a pot. I have it on the stove on a medium heat. We're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes until the mixture starts to thicken. Once it does, at that point, I'll add some vanilla extract, and we're going to set that aside and let it cool a bit. So here our mixture is done. I decided I wanted to have a little contrast in color, so I'm adding a drop of pink gel color to this. I don't want it to be super dark, just enough to hopefully provide a little contrast in color. I didn't show myself adding the vanilla extract, but I have added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to this. So now we're going to go ahead, set it aside, and let it cool. We're going to start by adding our butter and cream cheese to the bowl. Then I'm going to turn the mixer on and mix until well combined. Once we reach that point, we're going to add our granulated sugar, and then let the mixer run for about 10 minutes until the mixture becomes nice and fluffy and it lightens in color. At that point, we will add our vanilla extract and our eggs one at a time. Once we have the eggs well combined, we'll move on to adding our flour mixture. And then at the very end, we're going to add our crushed pineapple. Here we have the pan we're going to use to bake the cake. Today I'm going to use the butter sugar method. So I'm going to spread butter all around the pan and then coat with granulated sugar. And that is what's going to keep the cake from sticking to the pan. I'm so excited for this cake. I love guava. So I'm hoping the flavor really comes through with the pineapple. I hope I'm able to get this uploaded in time for Sunday. I've been out of town all week and I'm still trying to recover. But I really want to stick with my schedule of a Sunday upload, so hopefully this works out. Here I have just under a 1/4 cup. We'll see if that's enough. All right, adding half of our cake batter to the pan. Guava sauce that we made, and I'm just going to swirl it in. Here I have a toothpick. Being careful not to touch the bottom of the pan as I do this. Now we're going in with the rest of the cake batter. The rest of the sauce we're going to save for the top of the cake once it's done. Another toothpick. Again, our oven has been preheated to 310 degrees. This cake will bake for about an hour and a half, an hour 45. I'll adjust that time as needed. But as always, I'll let you guys know how long it takes in my oven when I remove it. Here's the cake after 1 hour, 30 minutes in the oven. We're gonna let it hang out in the pan for 10 minutes and then I'll turn it out onto a cake board. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. I want this side to be right side up. So I'm going to flip it over onto a plate and then flip it back over onto a cake board. So here we have our cake board. All right, so we are going to let our cake completely cool and then we'll be back to finish it up. Now that the cake has completely cooled, we're going to move on to making a quick glaze. So in my dish, I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. To that, I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla extract, and then I'm just gonna add heavy cream a little at a time until I reach my desired consistency. First, we're going to start by drizzling the vanilla glaze on top, and then once we're done with that, we're going to go on top with the guava sauce. We've made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our pineapple guava cream cheese pound cake. Y'all, this cake is absolutely delicious, super, super moist. I highly recommend. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.